Alright, back at it again on another video today. This video doesn't even have a main topic, honestly, but I just got a dash cam or windshield cam, whatever you want to call it. So I'm testing it out. But me and my homeboy are now riding, so I'm gonna catch a few pulls with him and let y'all hear the tips. Well, let y'all hear how the new sound with some pulls. So let's get to it. I should have been bought this shit. I'm not lying to y'all. Man, traffic a bitch right now, but let's see how I can get this. New video going up today. It's not this one, but it's a new video going up today. I reviewed my homeboy Challenger. He got the Bowler A-Tech catback exhaust. So yeah, get to hear that. I hope the wind not affecting my sound, cause I got my windows down. Traffic is terrible. Green light. Let's see how this thing is. Look him on side. Yeah, hit it now. Hit it. Hey, but that's a good ass. Come on, I ain't lying to y'all. There's a lot of bumps right here, but this thing holding up well. Let's get one more. Drop down a second. Tell me if y'all hear that, because I hear it. It's way different, way different, way different. But yeah, man, that was I just wanted to see a pull. I want y'all to tell me if y'all hear a difference. Oh shit. I want y'all to tell me if y'all hear a difference in my exhaust sound from before I put the tips on to now. So yeah, leave some feedback in the comments. But today, the Challenger review coming up. Yeah, Challenger review video going up today. So make sure y'all y'all catch all that. So alright, man, y'all like, subscribe, and share, man. I got the content coming, all that good shit coming. I'm about to put a tune on this thing real soon. So yeah, man, y'all just like and subscribe, man, and nothing but the videos coming, man. New cars gonna be on the channel. My car, you know, I'm putting all kind of new stuff. Looking forward to Raptor coming up. Let's see you trying to get in that thing. Ford Raptor, let's see what he about to do. Yeah. Let me see what you about to do. I want to see you about to coming and shit. Look at that nice ass thing. But that bitch nasty. Oh, he ain't trying to do nothing. But yeah, man. Videos on the daily, like I tell y'all, man. I appreciate everybody that rock with me, who fuck with me. All that good stuff. That was an old man. He ain't about to do nothing. But I appreciate everybody that rock with me, fuck with me, that tell people to subscribe. Y'all just browse and review, man. Just browse and like tell people about, man, the Phantom RT, man. We on the come up. I got viewers, but I need to start up and up and up. So I appreciate anybody that helped me. Appreciate all y'all. So let me get back to that monetization. Y'all just help me to get everything back. I'll with y'all in the next video.